Alright, what we got going today? Mini excavators and skid steers. Repair. Over the tongue and then over the implement. And there's toolboxes in there. Run the strap through the handle. Over the implements to tie down. Back here got a little creative. Got 2 inches to here, and then from the second one back this way, and then that one goes that way, and then goes on and over there. Same thing back here, and going over that, and that 2 inch running over the implement, over the tracks in the back, because there's no real good way to get to that tie down point and around. Over this one had a cable that attached to there, and that's tied to here. That across there, that across there, and a bunch of stuff extra. It's all strapped together, and then I got it tied down. 2 inch on the front and back of that, over the implement here, and then same thing up this side. That actually is running through, so it's tied down. Figure out what we got on tie downs. So I know that these are worth $5,500, but I call them 5,000. So 5,000, 5,000. These are 3,300, but that one we'll call 3,000, 3,000, 5,000, and then it's 1,500 because it goes from the side to the implement. So 1,500, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. 5,000, and again 1,500. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. See, now this one goes from the rail through the implement all the way over, so I get the full amount on that one. So 3,000 there, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 5,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. And then edge protectors on everything, of course, where it's going to be sharp. Check the weight. Tape measure. I forgot that. If you're not running right ways or load scale, you're running open deck. That tells me that was right at 34 on my tandems back yonder. I've got them spread so it rides better. 34 there. And then on this set of tandems, right at 30, so that's 64. 12,000 for my steers gives me 76,000 pounds. Thanks for watching.